Good morning or good afternoon, wherever you may be, or good evening or good night. This is Jen at JensArtyInclinations, a place to create, share and play. Hello everyone. Day 3, Junk Journal January, hosted by Meg Journals. Her link is in the description below, and I keep forgetting to mention it's in collaboration with the wonderful Get Messy. So yeah, lots of fun. All right, today, I can't believe how simple this is. I have seen so many of you make these, and I've always thought, I must do that because I love things that move and pop up and all that kind of thing. Never got around to it. Decided to give it a go, and oh my goodness, it's so quick. So, it's a slider belly band. So, I made the centre there, and I simply folded a piece of paper around the belly band. That was how I measured it. Stuck it together, and all I have to do is remember to put it onto the belly band before I actually stick it down. So this is the throwback bit. It's an old vintage book image, and it's all about camping, and for me that's a throwback to childhood because I used to camp a lot as a kid. And, the image is a throwback. So I don't know, that when I saw it, it just kind of inspired me. Again, I'm using some beautiful papers here that I got from Which Craft Do You Do? There was some that they had crafted up, and oh my goodness, I loved this. It's a Chinese Asian influence paper that had been collaged together to make new paper, and I'm so glad I'm using it in something because I absolutely adore it. And it's really nice to use different colours. So, it's always nice to try something different. I stuck a piece of paper through that it's like a cigarette band before I glued it, just to make sure that I didn't glue it together, so that I kept the loop. Then stuck it onto the back of my little image that's going to slide up and down. And voila, it's practically together. So I wanted to make sure that this had quite a bit of structure. So I ended up, obviously I had to just test that it was going to work, and it does. But there you go. Fits on the page beautifully. Decided that, this is funny. I used this big stamp because I wanted some texture on the left, so I thought, I'll just, use a background stamp. I had to, I tried to put it on a block, and I didn't do that very well, so then, I just did my normal thing and took away the block and just stamped it. So, yeah, bit awkward, but awkward, that's me, awkward. All right. I used loads of glue at the top and the bottom. I don't have a lot of success with belly bands, and considering this will be mucked about with, I wanted to really make sure that was not going to move. So I stuck it down, and then I've actually clipped it to hold it, and I've gone away and left it for a bit. So yeah, see, I've put big bulldog clips on it, top and bottom, just to make sure that it really stays on. So there you are, all finished, and it goes up and down beautifully. So yeah, I'm going to do this again. I'm really thrilled that I actually finally tried it. Yay! And so you're going to see more of that. Hope you're all still enjoying Junk Journal January. I know I'm still enjoying working with the prompts. And I'll see you tomorrow. Love it if you could leave me a comment below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed what you saw today. And of course, please subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you next time. And in the meantime, keep creating. Enjoy.